I mean, there's some carryover. I mean, obviously I still using hammers and some tools to form stuff. But one of the things, especially with the material that I use, the stainlesses, the titaniums, all these metals that are very difficult to move, and when I say move, I mean bending and forming, is that you got to have higher power tools. Before working in silver, I can move it with a rawhide mallet by tapping it. Now I've got stainless steel that I can move. I have to move with a 4-ton press, hydraulic press. So a lot more energy involved, a lot more tooling involved, and so I think there's still the same thought process. Metalsmithing is metalsmithing. A bend is a bend. Depending on the material and how much energy and the tools that you have to do that, that's what's changed. That's what's evolved over time, for me anyway. So that way I can now move stainless like I used to be able to move silver. But it's just amped out so much more. It's a lot more work. And I started thinking about it, and it's like, how much energy is put into making something, because I'm with a cutting torch just blasting, heating up this piece of metal to create this oxide that's so hot multiple times. Silversmiths are doing it multiple times to solder all these components. Potters are doing it with raging infernal fires to heat their pieces. We see this final product at the end of the day, but we don't realize, I've never thought of it, I never realized how much physical energy goes into these pieces. I can talk about energy that as a designer, as a metalsmith, that I put into it, but once you calculate the flames, the cleaning solutions, the fires to fire, that's a ton of energy put into these pieces, and maybe that's part of what makes them amazing.